Tell me what's going on, my friend. Let me start by getting the engine size. Is this a 2 liter or 2.4?
Yeah, 2.
Okay, tell me what's going on.
It's a Jeep Compass, and I can't, the horn won't blow.
Okay.
And I'm thinking I don't know if it's a relay or if it has one or does it have a fuse. I don't know.
I gotcha. Well, let me take a look. I'm going to pull up a wiring diagram for you. We can take a look and see what's going on, okay?
Okay.
How long has this been going on?
When did it start, man? About a week ago.
All right. Okay.
I guess I could have went through them all.
Yeah, that's a way to get it done. But let's just take a look. Let me see if I can make your job a little easier, okay? All right, this thing has 2 horns on it. It does not have a fuse or a relay.
Oh, man.
So the way it works,
Oh,
I know, unfortunately, the way it works is that the horn switch sends a signal to speed control switch, and then from there it goes through the clock spring in the steering column, and then from there it goes over to your circuit board inside the totally integrated power distribution module on the left side of the engine compartment. And when the circuit board in that fuse box gets a signal, it will then supply 12 volts directly on the 2 horn circuits to both of the horns. So the question is, what could be wrong preventing the horns from getting power from the circuit board? Could that circuit board be bad? Yes, it's possible. Could we have a bad clock spring in the steering column? Yes, that's very likely. Or could we have a bad horn switch in the steering wheel? Yes, that's also likely. Are you able to get the horn to work with the key fob?
No.
Okay. So that
with the key fob, it used to be with the key fob, but it don't now.
Okay. Yeah, that could suggest we got an issue with the circuit board and the fuse box. That's possible. So what I would recommend that you do is you really should go to either a shop or a Dodge Jeep Chrysler dealership so they can take a look at it to see what in the world's going on. Because you don't want to replace that circuit board in the fuse box or the fuse box, as it's going to be expensive to replace if that's not the problem, right? So,
but then you should take it to a Chrysler dealer.
Dodge Jeep or Chrysler, yep. Yeah, but to answer your question, my friend, there's no fuse or relay. That's why you can't find one. So no, you're not going crazy. It just doesn't have a fuse or a relay for the horn circuit.
Oh boy.
You can try disconnecting the battery cables from the battery and rubbing the cables together for 5 minutes and then reconnect them back up to the battery and see if that does the trick. Maybe that circuit board in the fuse box needs to be rebooted. You can try that.
Now, what was that you say?
Disconnect the battery cables from the battery.
Okay.
Rub the cables together for 5 minutes.
Oh.
Then reconnect the cables back up to the battery.
Huh. Okay. I'll try that.
Sound good, my friend?
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll try that.
Sounds like a plan. Good luck, okay?
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Mm-hmm.